everybody. Welcome to Bloomden Lab Show. I'm Jean.
Hey guys, I'm Keith. We are in the international trade shows of Changsha Foreign and Shows 2022.
Now we will make a brief introduction about our booth to you.
Okay, let's go.
In this dental show, it is the first time for us to show our equipment and materials for our chairside system. Now we will show you all of machines here.
This is our oral scanner. You can get your data in 15 minutes.
This is our milling machine. It's 5 axis.
It's the smallest milling machine in the world.
This is our faster sintering furnace. Yes, we can do faster sintering for most of our products within 2 hours. But with our 3D Pro, we can do 66 minutes faster sintering. Now, it's hot. It is working now. And this is our porcelain furnace. We use this furnace after doing the porcelain work and then sintering in this furnace.
Yeah, for sure.
Here are some materials of our restoration. This is our PMMA. For PMMA, we have single color, also we have multi-layer color. And this is our PEEK. For PEEK, we have 4 colors. They are the pink, and this is the nitro. Also, we have yellow and white color. 4 colors in all.
This is our ST series, STY and ST pre-shade and ST multi-layer. When you use ST white zirconia block, you should use together with our Bloomden coloring liquid with the Vita 16 shades.
Oh, from these zirconia blocks, you can see we have 3 types zirconia blocks. They are 98 millimeters is for the open system, and 95 millimeters is for the ZZ milling machines, and AZ, also we call D-shape zirconia blocks, is for AG milling machines.
Bloomden 3D Pro integrate our top technologies. It has the gradient change of 5 level colors, 43 to 49% translucencies.
Our product had very hard filter, so we can do fine milling. You can see, we can do fine milling. This is also after milling. Here are some cases of our teeth.
Yeah.
This is of SHT series zirconia blocks. For SHT series, also we have white zirconia blocks and color zirconia blocks. For colors, we have single color and also multi-layer. If you use of SHT white zirconia blocks, you have to use of SHT coloring liquid. This coloring liquid match SHT zirconia blocks. This is a case, a whole zirconia blocks, and you can see the Vita 16 colors here of SHT white zirconia blocks.
This is our UT series. Similarly, UT has white, pre-shade and multi-layer, 3 types. It has our most translucency with 615 million parts.
Now here are also some equipments.
Yeah. This is our 3D printers with two sides.
Yes. And for this milling machine, it is another type milling machine. It is a little bigger than our X5 milling machine.
This is our subsidiary tools. It has polishers, milling machine, milling burrs, and the grinders. Thank you for your time.
Thank you. Thank you.